Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to make this teeny tiny star. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here we make a slip knot. I am using 2.5 mm crochet needle hook. Okay, this is a slip knot. Okay, and now we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Try to take loose stitches, loose and bigger stitches. So we are making 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Here we make a slip stitch. Now see, we get a very small tiny bit circle. It is small but a needle can easily pass through. So we get this small tiny bit circle. So we will make some stitches passing a needle from inside that circle. Okay. Now we will make 4 chain crochet stitches. Okay. Now we will skip stitch which is beside the loop on the needle. This stitch we will skip, and in the next stitch we will make a slip stitch. Okay, then in next stitch we will make 1 single crochet stitch. Okay, in next we will make 1 half double crochet stitch. Okay, now we will make a slip stitch with that small tiny bit circle. See, passing a needle from inside that circle, we will make a slip stitch with that small tiny bit circle. Now this is the first point of the star. We have to make all rest 4 points with the same pattern. I'll just make it and show it to you. If you people want to refer tutorial video for single crochet stitch and like half double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. All tutorial videos are with written instructions and quite slow demo is given, quite simply explained. So please do refer the videos also. Okay, I'll just make some more points and I'll show you. Pattern is going to be same. Just don't take that thread in the stitches. One loose end is there while we were making the slip knot. I'll just complete it and I'll show you. Those who have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I'll request you please do subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Help me grow on YouTube please. And those who have already subscribed my YouTube channel, thanks a lot. Thank you so much. And if you like the video, please like, comment and share also. Okay, here we are on our third point of the star. This you can use on your small Christmas tree decoration, or you can use it in many decorations like many crochet things if you want. So here our star is done. Now see that loose end, loose thread I was saying, pull it harder. See that gap is almost closed. Our star is done. So this is how our teeny tiny mini star looks like. Okay, please subscribe YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha, like, comment and share. And those who have already subscribed, thank you, thanks a lot. Please subscribe, don't forget. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.